Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting Loungefly unboxing for you today. Recently I bought my first Disney Loungefly bag, so check out that video if you haven't seen it already. I'll post the link below. I said I didn't want to have a huge Loungefly bag collection, but just a couple of days later I went ahead and I purchased my second one. So let's just go ahead and see what's inside. Alright, so excited. I really love the first one that I got, but I was so excited to find this. Alright, so I haven't opened this yet. I was waiting to open this up with you guys. Alright. Okay, I'm just gonna pull it out of the box here. Alright, so here's the reveal. Alright, here we go. Wow! Wow, this is the Disney Loungefly backpack. It's Moana themed, and it's PUA and Hey. Very cool. There's a little bit of a dent here. Yeah, so let's check it out. Very nice. It's got, it's sort of an off-white color, like a cream color. Oh look, has the Moana tag on there. I love that. That's exactly how Hawaii looks. I love Hawaii so much. It's just so magical if you ever go to visit. And there's the Moana tag. Beautiful. And it's got the pink straps and gold, rose gold hardware on there. Have a look here. It's got a big pocket here in the front and nice rose gold detailed zipper, and it has the plumeria, the Hawaiian flower there. And let's see what else. No design at the bottom. It's a little bit dirty there in the corner. I bought this from an online seller. Let's see. And the straps are good. Looks like they bought it at Hot Topic. And the zipper is a little caved in here. It's a little strange. Let's open it up. It's got all the stuffing in there. Ooh, the zipper is super smooth. All the Loungeflies are, I've heard and seen now that they're super smooth like butter. Look at that. And I collect a lot of luxury purses, so that is pretty on par with in terms of zipper quality. It's really good. And let's try this zipper. Also pretty good, not bad. And let's take a look at the placement. Okay, so we have PUA here, PUA and Hey here at the bottom. And we have PUA there, and he's peeking out there with Hey. We got Hey here, and we got them two here. And let's see, we have him here and here. It's pretty good. Oh, you got him right there on the side, and there on the leaf, and he's so funny. Another one right there, and one right up there in the center. That's nice. And then this side, we have him here, there. Very nice. Pretty good placement. And here he is creeping out there on the side. That's cute. nice. Looks like it's a good size. It's a mini backpack size. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for that. And let's see how it looks beside my first one. This is the first one that I bought. I really love this Stitch one. I love the colors. Alright, so here they are, side to side. Here we go. This one is in better condition, I feel. Like the shape here, this one has a little bit caved in there for some reason. But very nice, and there's a little bit of a dent there. But overall, very nice. And these are my first two Disney Loungefly backpacks. Very cute. Although there's nowhere to go now with everybody stuck inside. But they're just so beautiful to look at. I love them. Love them so much. Okay, so I just took the stuffing out of this one. I do notice the zipper is different from this one on the right. It's got a little bit of a cheaper zipper on this one. It's thinner. It still opens very well, but it is a thinner zipper. I don't know if you can tell there. And this one's got bigger teeth on this zipper. So you can see that there. So it does feel a little lighter, like a little cheaper, if you want to say. And the inside is just plain pink in there. It's plain pink, although the pro of this one is it actually has a back pocket. So this must be a newer style because the older ones don't have back pockets that I know of. So that actually has a back pocket, which is cool. He decided to add one there. And then this one is the older style. But the leather, or not leather, but the material feels thicker on this one. A little better quality on this one. And oh, and look at that. And even the Disney emblem, it's like you've got just like a simple leather tag. There's a little bit of cost cutting in this one, I find, because you've got even the lower quality zipper, even the tag. Well, the tag is, this one you've got the Loungefly tag on there. And this one, see, has this emblem. It's got the plate there. And then this one just has the leather tag. And the inside of this one has a nice cool pineapple print. But again, no pockets in there. No pockets. No back pockets. But overall, they're the same size, same pocket size and everything, same dimensions. Very nice. And they were also the same price. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing video. I do have a giveaway coming up on my channel. I'm giving away this special edition opening ceremony key pin. And this is a special pin release. It's like the key collectibles, but in the form of a pin. Very cool. And all you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel. It's that simple. Well, thanks again for watching today. And don't forget to like this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, I forgot I have the cutest keychain to go with this. And look at this baby PUA keychain. He's so cute. Adorable. It's just like a silicone keychain. I could probably put him, oh, look how cute. That would be so adorable. Not sure how I can hook this on. Maybe on the zipper tag. Or on that tag there. Not sure. He's so cute.